Today we are working on Excel Expert lesson for the 6th lesson, Protecting the Worksheet. So this is what we should be starting with, and the first thing it says to select cells B4 through B6. So highlight those cells. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format, and then Format Cells down at the bottom. Click the Protection tab, so right up here at the top, click that, and then select the Locked checkbox to turn that off, and then click OK. You've now unlocked a range of cells that users will be permitted to update once Worksheet Protection is turned on. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format, and then Protect Sheet right there. So the dialog box opens so you can select which worksheet operations or objects to protect. Leave all the checkboxes at their default settings, and then type 123 in the password to unprotect sheet. 123, and then click OK. Note, do not use this password for your real workbooks. See the using password topics about selecting passwords to fit your security needs. So in other words, that's a Bobo password. You would not want to use that. It's kind of like using a Samsung phone. So type 123 in the text box and then click OK. Move to cell C12. So click on C12 down here and try to enter a value. When you press any key, the following message box is displayed. You get this error. It says the chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet because we just protected it. So click OK. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Insert or Delete to try and insert. So right here, when you click Insert or Delete, you notice that they're grayed out, so you can't actually use those. So enter the following into the cells that were unlocked earlier. So click in cell B4. We're going to type 1000. B5 will be 0.06. That says B5 again, but I think it's supposed to be B6, so type 12. Mark that as answered. Go to the next step. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format, and then Unprotect Sheet. It's going to ask you for your password that we just created, so type 123 and then click OK. Enter a value into the locked cell to verify that it's unprotected. So go to cell C12 and enter 10,000, and you see that it now lets us enter that because we've unprotected the sheet. So mark that as answered. Go to the next step. On the Review tab, so click the Review tab at the top. In the Protect group, which is right here, click Protect Sheet. Deselect the locked cells and select unlocked cells. So deselect both of those and then click OK without specifying a password. It's now in read-only mode. Try to select any cell on this worksheet. You should not be able to click, so I'm clicking with my mouse. No matter where I click, it won't let me do anything. So I know I've done that correctly. Go to the 5th step. On the Review tab in the Protect group, click Unprotect Sheet. You didn't need to enter a password because we did not use one we had protected it previously. Once you've unlocked the worksheet, it remains unlocked until you protect it again. So select cell C12, hit the Delete key, and it deletes the value that we put in there before. So let's submit this, submit results. Got them all right, so this completes lesson 6, Protecting the Worksheet.